Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to change black level on the following display. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. If you don't have the home screen, you can use the home screen button to open the following screen. And now all you need to do is find and select the gear icon. The gear icon is located right here. If you tap the gear icon, you should see the following list of menus that you can use, and one of them is system settings. So let me tap it, and as you can see here, you can use a few things. One of them is the display. So let's choose the first section, display. As you can see here, you can change a few things. One of them is black level. So let me try to make the black level on the highest rate. As you can see, this is the highest black level, but you can also decrease it. Let me show you how it looks. This is the lowest black level. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.